Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video we are taking a look at how low can SMCI stock go from here. Why am I even talking about how low it can go? What happened to all those bullish cases? Well, they are all kaboom now, guys. The structure has changed. It's important that once the structure changes, we adapt, and structure right now is telling me that we are full on bearish. Now we'll go through the technicals in this video. I'll give you the levels, and even if things needs to turn around back again to an uptrend on SMCI, what will we need to see in the price action is what I will all talk about in this video. Now, it's not a surprise today that I'm saying that we are in the downward structure. In the last couple of videos, from last all 3, 4, 5 videos from here, the price action, I have been saying be cautious. Right over here, I raised a caution that SMCI is gonna become bearish. I gave you all the heads up. If you missed out, well, you didn't see my videos, that's on you, right? And also, if you are interested in 50 plus stocks coverage, check out the details in the description of this video. Just like all what I talk about the stocks on my public channel, there's 50 plus stocks coverage across so many stocks. We make so much money across all those other stocks as well. Check out the details in the description of this video if that interests you, and definitely trading tools if that's also what you want. All the details are in the description of this video. Now, before going further, I also want to let you know none of this is any financial advice, only for education purposes, just sharing my opinion. Please do your own thing. Now, as I have been saying that we are most likely forming a bearish, eventually will form a bearish structure. The weakness is coming, and as we lose this for good, the $38 area, we will full on just break the structure, right? And at this point we have already broken the structure right up from here. Even this $40.90 area that I have been saying, once we are losing it, it's a start of a weakness that will eventually break the structure, and we just did that. Now on the weekly interval, we'll get to the points where how low can it go or continue to go. Now on the weekly interval, I have been saying that we are, from here on, as if we lose this 38 area, it's a break of a structure. Even on the weekly interval, this is a forming a lower high, right? What we want to see if these pivots are holding, as I said previously, the weakness I already gave you ahead of time, this is forming a lower high on the weekly as well, and we have lost a structural support for the weekly interval as well, thus turning it overall bearish for us. All right, now how low can it go? Well, the target is around $30. There's a room for it to come down all the way to $30. Right now there is no uptrend. I'm back on the daily interval now. There is no uptrend on this thing. We are just continuing lower. I'm going to clean up the chart a little bit, the things that we don't need anymore. And $30 is the magnet. Okay, now there is a little bit more than the $30, but before that, if you are wondering, well, Junior Trader, there is this trend line here still, right? Well, technically, if you see, you can still argue that, oh hey, there's this potential trend line, it can find a support there. Well, not so soon, guys, because why so? We have formed a lower high, as I just showed you on the weekly interval as well. Structure broke right over here near term. There is no point of that trend line. You can find anything, but it doesn't matter. The structure needs to support in the near-term price action as well, and it's not showing any uptrend. It's in the downtrend, okay? And now $30 is the target, at least the magnet. It has a room to come down all the way there. Let's get to the hourly interval as well. Right from here, even intraday, there is no uptrend. Even if this thing, now I'm gonna talk about first, where can it start to turn back again in strengthful, and that will be if SMCI doesn't break further below from here. Let's say it stabilizes from wherever it is. Even to become in an uptrend, it will still have to regain this 37.30 cents to 38.30 cents. It still needs to regain this zone. Otherwise, no, it's not going to be bullish. It's going to be just bearish. I'm going to update this box over here so that it's much more apparent for the area that we are talking about, and this would be the zone. If we have to turn uptrend again without breaking further below, we'll have to get above this zone of the blue box, okay? And the caution of where this thing can just become a dead stock. All right, now It can come, how low it can go is like $30, and the levels even below it, because it's in a downtrend now, right? The problem will be if we lose 25 and 70 $25.75 area. If we lose $25.75 area, consider it a dead stock. It's over. It's over for good. It's just gonna then do its slow death to the downside like that. All right. So that's something you gotta be careful. It's just gonna be nothing, worth nothing below $25.75. All right. Well, that's what it is, guys. As long as structure holds, we trade that direction. Once the structure is gone, there is no point. So the things you should have already been pivoted by now. I talked about all of that in the videos, and all other stocks, as I said, I talked with the members also in the 50 plus stocks coverage. You can check out the details over there in the description of this video. And that's all I had for you guys in this video. With that, please hit the like and subscribe if you found it helpful and valuable. And with that, I'll see you in my next videos, guys. Take care. Bye.